Greetings to each and every one of you. Thank you once again for watching Wealth Makers Alliance YouTube channel. And thank you for all your supports that has been given. It is indeed an encouragement for me to continue serve the community, especially our JD Winner Sin Strategy community. Now, I would like to quickly just teach the team on one important aspects of it, which I always emphasize about the manual replenishment. Now, I just want to do a very simple video here, guiding you and showing you what should you do when you do the manual replenishment. So this is just a quick guide, and I'm going to use these 5 coins here. So I have 5 coins here, which is Ion, ATA, BIG, BTT, and HBAR. Now, when you're doing the manual replenishment, there are few criteria, or there are few consideration that you need to decide when you do the manual replenishment. Now, first thing first is that it's always good to allow the market to bottom as much as possible. So you can see that I have -5, -9, -7, right? -6. Now this is good. The worse the minus, the better it is, because you don't want to be wasting your bullet, right? So you wait, and as I always mention, don't add on to the losing trade. Don't add on to the losing trade. So you wait until all these trades are actually bottom. All right, bottom. Now, how to decide which coin that you want to do manual replenishment? This is the biggest question that most people have. All right, which coin to do the manual replenishment? Now, based on this 5, right, you can see that the rule is very simple. Look for the worst percentage. All right, worst percentage. The second thing is that look at the position amount. Can you see that? Now, although ATA, you can see ATA is the worst percentage, but if I would click that, I see the amount, the position amount is close to $200. So that is huge. Can you see that? So this is the 2 most important consideration that you need to look at. So we want the worst performing in terms of percentage, but we want the position amount to be the lowest. Can you see that? So one is the worst and the other one to be the lowest. So now, if I would go and look for the next, the next here that is worse is BIG. So you can see BIG is only $50. All right, $50. So if I want to choose which I'm going to actually do the manual replenishment, I would choose between these 2 consideration. One is the position amount, and the other is basically the worst return rate in terms of the percentage. So now let's look into BTT too, right? BTT is $99, so I'm not going to go for that. And then we look into HBAR, that is about $50. So now, based on this, right, I know I can basically go for 2 coins at this moment. Please make sure, right, that you have your trading fund, your trading fund availability. That's a reason why if you follow JD Winner 80-20 wallet management rule, you should have enough. You should have 20%. Now this is the right time for us to use the 20%, because we want to go and ambush the enemy. Can you see that? Now you wait for the market to bottom. So what does that mean is that you wait for the enemy to actually weaken. All right, what do I mean by weaken? So once enemy's bullet is depleted, the enemies will actually give up. The enemy has to surrender in the war zone, right? Now is the time you can go in with that 20% bullet to go and ambush the enemy. So how do you do that? Now, if you don't understand what I'm saying, all right, if you're watching this video, you don't understand, that simply means you have not watched the JD Sin Strategy video. Please, please get into my YouTube channel and go and look for that Sin Strategy video, and then only you can come back here to this video to actually do the manual replenishment. So I just want to focus on manual replenishment. Now let's do the manual replenishment. All right, so you can see, right, I have BIG is the worst, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do manual replenishment. So how do I do that? Now, very simple. You have to click buy. Can you see that? Now, when you click buy, this is my way of doing things, so you can follow this style if you want to. Now, when I click buy, what I'm going to see here, you can see I have the position amount, I have the average price, the position quantity, current price, and the profit and loss, which is -8%, right? Now, the trigger price here, I'm not going to put the trigger price because I consider now the market has already bottomed. So I'm going to select market price. Can you see that? So you can see that the market price now turned to blue color, right? So I have selected the market price, okay? Now, the amount of margin call here, and my rule is the same amount as the current position amount. So, if the current position amount is $50, then I'm going to put $50. Now, watch what happened. All right. Now you can see that from the profit, from the position profit and loss, which is minus 7.9 or 8%, now you can see that the estimate profit and loss has already reduced by 50% to 3.95. So now this is a simulation. This is a simulation telling you that if you would put $50, the same position amount, you're going to actually improve minus 8%. You're going to improve by 50%. Can you see that? So your percentage is going to improve. And what happens to your average price? Your average price now is coming closer to the current market price. Can you see that? So this is a powerful way to ambush, okay, or to manipulate the market so that you can then come out of the market much faster than anybody else. So this is what we call profit turnaround time. Okay, so your profit turnaround time is much faster than anybody else. So this is what we call strategic tactical. Okay, tactical war. It's not really technical. So you can see that I'm not even really watching the technical analysis and so on. I don't really need that because in the war, you don't have time to watch technical analysis. So you have to be very tactical, and that tactical goes back to your wallet management strategy and also to your wallet management strategy. That is the most important thing, right? If you have a proper wallet management strategy, you can win the war. So now, if I would press confirm, now watch what happened, okay? Watch what happened. So watch from minus 7.69, what happened? So you can see, right, at the top here, right, you can see over here. Can you see that? Now, what happens at the return rate? The return rate now is minus 3.94. So it has now improved by 50%. Now, look at the position amount. The position amount is currently $99. The position amount has actually doubled. Can you see that? Now, this is why we've been keep saying, right? When you do manual replenishment or when the bot actually do an auto replenishment, let's say 3 margin call, you don't have to worry. So your position amount will increase, your return rate will actually improve. So in this manner, right, if the bot closes above this average price, what happens to my earning? Now, I am going to earn 1% average of $100 instead of $50. So my return, okay, my return or my profit is much greater. So this is the beauty, right? This is the beauty when the market is declining. So the worse the market decline, the better it is. Because if you do 10%, minus 10%, all right? Minus 10% improved by 50% is the same as minus 50% improved by 50% is the same. You're still going to use the same position amount. So I hope you can roughly understand what I'm trying to say, right? And this is a brilliant way, all right? A brilliant way for you to manipulate the market. Now, let's quickly do one more so that you can watch this once again. So I'm going to select next will be BTT. Alright, but BTT is quite high, which is $100, right? So I'm not going to waste my bullet. So I'm going to choose HBAR. Now HBAR is going to be $50 too. So I click buy. Can you see that? So when I click buy, I'm going to select market price. And thereafter, I'm going to input the same amount, which is $50. So I'm going to improve my percentage by 50%. So you can see minus 6.65 now comes down to improve, okay, by 50% to 3.33%. Now, let's confirm that. So you can see over here, right? Look at the percentage there. Minus 6 now become minus 3. And my position now increased to close to $100. Can you see that? So now, out of these 5, right, you can see I am not doing manual replenishment for all because I don't want to be wasting my bullet. So I tackle the 2, okay, the 2 which has the highest minus percentage in terms of the return rate. It is the worst, and I tackle the two that has the lowest in terms of the position amount. Can you see that? So in this manner, I save my bullet, but I am effectively maneuvering the market, and I'm only choosing 2 out of 5. So when will I do the remaining 3? I will do that once this 2 is closed. Alright, once this 2 is closed. So once this 2 is closed, what happened? My $100 will return back into my spot wallet, right? And once it is returned back, now I will have more fun. So when I have more fun and more bullet, thereafter I can go and tackle the rest of the coin. Can you see that? Now this is a brilliant way, right? A brilliant strategy that you can actually immediately practically implement. So that's the reason why if you are part of JD Winner Sync strategy and you have the wallet management 80-20 rule wallet management in place, you don't have to worry, because all the 3 calls, okay, or the auto will be done auto replenishment by the bot. So you only have to wait after the 3rd call and wait for the market to bottom. The worse the percentage, the better it is. Okay, so don't rush. In waiting, you make the money. Can you understand that? In waiting, you make the money. So as bottom as it is, okay, then you go in and do the manual replenishment. So I hope this brilliant insights, okay, will help you, will add significant value, all right, to the way how you're going to manage your trading, your quantitative trading, and I believe, all right, you will be able to actually reap in a much greater harvest and profit by understanding this simple technique of manual replenishment. With that, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for all the support that you have been given, the encouragement, all right? Continue to support, share this information with your friends. Let's get more people, okay? Bless more life and offer them this opportunity to be part of JD Winner Sync strategy. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.